Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you what to do if the screen is black and nothing seems to work. We have to try to restart the Tesla, and you can do this by pushing in the brake and then hold in the scroll on the scroll wheels. Let's see if anything happens now. Yeah, and now we are ready. Okay, now I have to enter a pin because I activated that you need to enter a pin to drive because of safety. Okay, but as you can see, this is how you can fix the black screen in your Tesla. Just restart it. Hope you liked the video, and remember to subscribe if you want more tips on how to solve problems with your Tesla.